It's said, if you are determined and hardworking, destiny provides you with right opportunities. This is the story of 24-year-old Chandan Kumar Sahu. He made his dream come true. Chandan Sahu was born into a middle-class family. He is a farmer's son. Chandan was a brilliant student since his childhood, but despite being hardworking and brilliant, he lacked amenities. But even the lack of amenities couldn't break Chandan's resolution.
We are extremely happy what Chandan is doing. We feel proud of him. Despite being poor, he completed his education and reached this stage. When we see him like this, we feel proud.
Chandan Kumar Sahu studied hard and graduated from Udainath College of Science and Technology in 2019. Since his childhood, he had seen his father working in the farms. That's why Chandan was inspired by farming. And Chandan Kumar Sahu wanted to learn something new. Chandan Kumar Sahu learned about several courses that ITI Bhubaneswar was offering. What else? Chandan Kumar Sahu decided to join ITI Bhubaneswar. In 2020, Chandan Kumar Sahu joined IoT, Smart Agriculture course from ITI Bhubaneswar. ITI Bhubaneswar has courses that offer new and improved avenues to today's generation.
I'd like to congratulate Chandan Kumar Sahu, a student of IoT Technician Smart Agriculture from Government ITI Bhubaneswar. People had a mindset that starting with smart agriculture means we are making people the farmers, how to cultivate or something. But it was basically a new technical course which means that how to repair this agriculture equipments, machinery, how to go for the smart agriculture, soil testing and everything. Lot of use of sensors. And Chandan Kumar Sahu was able to capture this knowledge and could utilize it in his career and could do the best out of it to become a young professional in a Government of India institution. First of all, I'd like to congratulate him and thanks for being a motivation to the other young Indians whoever coming to this skill trades.
In 2020, Chandan Kumar Sahu took admission in ITI, which is an endeavor of Skill India. In ITI, farming is connected with technology. New equipments are being invented to make farming easier so that farmers can benefit from it. ITI teachers are impressed with Chandan Kumar Sahu's hard work and dedication.
Chandan Kumar Sahu studied in Government ITI Bhubaneswar from 2020 to 2021 batch. He did IoT Technician Smart Agriculture course. He was a brilliant student. It's very rare to find such students. And he was so brilliant that if you give him any task in class, he would study it thoroughly and do it on his own. If there was something he couldn't understand, he would come and ask us. It's very rare to see that in students. Although we have to force them to study, but he had completed +3. Along with it, he was quite interested in studies and he would study dedicatedly. And besides that, if you give any student any task, they forget about it or go to sleep. But he would go and complete the task at night. and along with it he would make his own project, and he always motivate others and would encourage teamwork, and he always teach others also how he has built it, what's the fault, how he made it at night, what is the programming. Through teamwork he would explain all that to the students. He has developed a lot of projects, he has undertaken it on his own. He would do it and explain to the students. He's a brilliant student. The position that he has achieved today, I'm proud of Chandan Kumar Sahu. He is really doing good work. With his hard work and everybody's blessing, he has become so successful.
Every youth interested in agricultural science has the dream of working at ICAR NRRI, National Rice Research Institute. Chandan Kumar Sahu made his dreams come true. On 16th November 2023, Chandan Kumar Sahu joined National Rice Institute, Cuttack as a young professional. And he became a part of this vast family. With his dedication and hard work, Chandan Kumar Sahu has impressed everybody. His fields are IoT and farm machineries. Such institutes run by the Government of India are very important for agriculture and our country's farmers. At National Rice Institute, Cuttack, scientists are developing new machineries and technology to make agriculture easier, more productive and beneficial. National Rice Research Institute is offering new campaigns for the youths to provide a bright future to the youths.
ICAR National Rice Research Institute is always working to promote the youth for having their skill in our laboratories. NRRI is having state-of-art modern laboratories and farm facilities to which the youths are exposed to have their experiential learning. At NRRI, the youth to have their training and skill development in our agribusiness incubation center in the various disciplines such as modern farm techniques, IoT, precision farming, remote sensing, sensors, all the other modern technology. At our agribusiness incubation center, more than 1400 farmers, they have already got their skill, and more than 50 startups have already established their business. NRRI always encourage the youth from the modest background to be exposed in the modern laboratories of NRRI and its research facilities.
Achieving all this wasn't easy for Chandan Kumar Sahu. He faced several difficulties at every step of life. But Chandan Kumar Sahu confronted all hardships and difficulties courageously and bravely and achieved success today.
It's been 5 months since I joined National Rice Research Institute, and also when I joined, it's such a vast institute, I didn't know what work will be assigned to me. After joining it, I discovered that the environment is so wonderful. The staff is like really supportive, all of them are very helpful. So I started enjoying my work, and with that, in these last 5 months of working here, I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience. It is because I learned a lot about use of technology in agriculture, and that helped me a lot, in my field. Our scientists and our seniors help us to learn new things. All of them are, been very helpful to us. And not just that, they also, informed us about the modern and future technology and all the new developments that are happening. I'm very grateful to them.
Chandan Kumar Sahu is an inspiration for every youth who wants to do something new. The Government of India is running many projects like Skill India. It's a ray of hope for hard-working and brilliant students like Chandan Kumar Sahu, and it offers them a brighter future.